Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As we come to the end of the year, end of the month for 2016, I've noticed lots of stocks showing monthly chart potential resistance. So I would urge you to make sure all the instruments that you are considering are also paying attention to what the monthly charts are saying. You'll notice that on the monthly, and it's important to check the monthly charts now that we are at the end of the month, because month to month energies can change as you go to the new month. But here's an example. It doesn't matter what the stock is or the instrument, they're all pretty much gonna be responding to the same technicals. But here's an example of what was previous resistance for this instrument here, coming back in the current month or 2 months and showing uniform action rejection, and the key is the symmetry. You can see here we had rejection, it came close, did not even touch it for the highs here. It's had a nice run for 2016, but at the tail end of the year you can see uniform action rejection there, suggesting that the rally is coming to a conclusion as of right now, which might explain why for the month of December the stock is down about 16-17%. So month to month we need to be on the lookout for these types of cues. Here's another one also, DB, coming back to test recent resistance level. In fact, on this one can observe two lines. After a nice run over the last couple of months, we can see coming back to test topside RSI potential resistance. That's going to be a problem as we go to the new month if it can't move above that line. And also there's a previous break line here. That break line was critical because once we broke below that line there, we had a major drop that was in the lower 20s, about 25, somewhere around there. We broke through that and we went substantially lower. Now what we can do is extend that same line, and you can see that we are coming back again to back test the break line. And that's a big deal because you have those two lines coming in play, and as long as this is resistance in the new month, and don't forget that there's also topside resistance based on the RSI top line, so you got two lines showing resistance. After a nice run over the last couple of weeks and months, you can see that this is where it might easily run out of momentum. So as we come to the conclusion of the month, as we should always do, it is always good to pay attention to the long-term monthly charts, because you never know, that could be where the action is taking place and not necessarily on the hourlies, dailies and weeklies. As we come to the conclusion of the year, I want to wish you a prosperous 2017 ahead. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the other side. Much love, peace, and blessings. ESCS. Mwah. Woo!